Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And you guys have been requesting me for retinol serums, beginner friendly retinol serums and creams. So here is my list. But before starting off with this video, I have a few disclaimers. So retinols or any derivative of retinol A, you have to use it with precautions. If you are pregnant or if you are planning for pregnancy, I wouldn't at all recommend usage of retinol. But otherwise, if you are aiming anti-aging skin routine or you are aiming at wrinkles and fine lines, you can definitely try this to get rid of those. And yes, here is my list. And there's one more disclaimer is I have not used this, but these have been used extensively by my close family members, so you can definitely trust. And also I do go reach out to brands which are very popular and which has a lot of money to invest in R&D if I am reaching out for retinol and retinol creams and serums, because I do trust them. That's more because when I am recommending a product, it shouldn't harm you at any way. So yeah, let's begin with today's video. Now there are multiple derivatives of retinoids which you can easily get through Google, but before talking about that, let's talk about skin aging. And skin aging is intrinsic or chronological aging, which is inevitable, but photo aging involves premature aging of skin occurring due to cumulative exposure to ultraviolet radiation, and this can be prevented by regular usage of a high protection sunscreen. So applying a sunscreen is mandatory. Reapplying is also mandatory using a broad spectrum sunscreen and certified sunscreen, and applying it for 365 days in a year. And also protect your face from heat because it also affects a lot apart from the sun. Now, tretinoin and tazarotene are the most effective vitamin A derivatives, but this can cause irritant reactions such as burning, scaling, and dermatitis, and hence we opt for retinols. Now, the Pond's Miracle Age Miracle Night Cream, which is with retinol C complex, it has been in the Indian market for quite some time. I have seen my family member using this for the last 10 years or even more, and this has a thicker consistency and it does blend with the skin very well, and it is not greasy. It blends with the skin very well and it can be comfortably used at night. And it has titanium dioxide, that's why it has a white color in it. But otherwise, coming to the ingredient list, it has retinol palmitate, and it has niacinamide, it has glycerin, cholesterol, and linoleic acid. But it is okay a cream to be invested in the first stage. Now the next one which I have is the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. This is also an effective cream, and I have seen my mom using it, my family member using it for quite some time, and this doesn't give any such reaction. This is very mild, though there are some important instructions given on the back of the bottle, but it is quite nice. But it is expensive considering the volume, and it contains retinol, it contains ascorbic acid, it also contains glycerin and hyaluronic acid. This is quite effective and helps in getting rid of wrinkles. This is also a very beginner friendly retinol product. Now this is currently available at some discount, and I think yeah, you can get this from Nykaa. Now the third one which I have in my list is the Olay Retinol 24 night cream. This I have recently asked my family members, like two of my family members, to upgrade to this Olay 24 retinol because I have seen very good reviews and they were basically impressed with the consistency, because this is very lightweight, blends with the skin very well. It can be comfortably used during the summers because this is not at all greasy, and this blends in the skin smoothly and it doesn't give any oily finish, but keeps the skin moisturized. Also, they have been using this for around 2 to 3 months, and they have seen a like good improvement in their skin also. And this contains retinol and retinol propionate, and it also contains niacinamide and some peptides, and it has glycerin. This is the simplest formulation, but it works quite effectively, and you can grab it at some discount presently in Nykaa. And the last one which I have in my list is the retinol Cica cream from Innisfree. This is the repair ampoule, and this is meant for sensitive skin. So any of you who have sensitive skin and are scared of using a retinol, I think you can definitely try this, though it comes at quite an expensive price of originally at 2,850, but it can be like purchased from Nykaa at some discount. Now it is like a serum kind of consistency. It is very thin in consistency. It contains Cica extracts as well, and it has a lot of good ingredients in it, and this has a very good positive review when I went through Nykaa. And this is a very serum like consistency, and you can also top it up with a moisturizer if you want. The other creams are like self-made, but this one can be topped up with a moisturizer. It contains retinol, it contains niacinamide, it contains centella, it contains ceramide, cholesterol, beta glucone, mannitol, rhamnose, and all of those ingredients which are hydrating, soothing, and calming to your skin. Presently this is also at some discount, and you can grab it from Nykaa. Was basically all about this video. I hope you find this video useful, and if you have found this useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like the video. If you have come until this point, please do like this video. I'll come up with more such interesting video in the near future, and see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.